we want to plot. And from where we want to start? We want to start from 00 to 55. So 55 is for blue. That is the blue color that we are seeing here. And the thickness is 3 pixel. We can increase the thickness. For example, if we say -1 here, sorry, -1 won't be accepted because this is a specified polygon, not means not a other way polygon that is predefined polygon like circle or rectangle. You can specify the thickness of the line because it will be lines joining this, not an entire polygon. Okay. If you want to put some text, you can say, okay, this is the image. Put this text starting from here, and you can provide some predefined fonts. I have written down some here for you to refer. These are some fonts which are out of the box provided from the OpenCV library, and you will have that. You can provide the color. This is the color, and what should be the thickness. If you want it to be more bold, like 10 pixel, you can do that. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, if no, we'll conclude the class here for today. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.